Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add rows above in Google Sheets. So let's start it. At first open your Google Sheets file. Then show the Google Sheets file is the data. This add row from the above. Now select from the inner option into the add row above. Now for click, now going to the insert menu option. Then click with the rows option. Now click with the insert on row from the above. Now for this. Then show the add row above in Google Sheets. Then again select from the another row. Now for click. Then going to the insert menu option. Then click for the rows option. Now click for the insert on row above option. Now for click. That is. Then show the add row above in Google Sheets file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching my video.